So today I have a really exciting video for you guys. Usually we are looking at a stock with great potential, but today we're doing something different. I'm going to give you an insight into one of the best ways to find the very best stocks while they are still cheap. Now I always get asked, every time a stock takes off, I always get asked, how did you find this stock? So in today's video, I'm going to look at one of the very best tools that I use, and that is Seeking Alpha. First of all, I want to give a huge shout out to Seeking Alpha for sponsoring this video. This platform has made such a difference to me over the past few years. I've learned so much from it, and I'm excited to show you some of the very best features that they have to offer. Seeking Alpha Premium, which is one of the paid tiers, which you can actually try out now for free. There is a link to this in the description or in the pinned comment. And with that link, you'll be able to try out Seeking Alpha Premium free for 7 days. And if you end up loving it, then I have a special discount for you later in this video. So there's never been a better time to check this out. When it comes to researching stocks, for me it all starts here on the Seeking Alpha homepage. And the very first thing that hits me is the trending analysis and news. But as we scroll down, we have the latest hot themes, which is great for picking out trending stocks just as they're beginning to get going. We then have a list of top rated stocks in each sector of the market, and Seeking Alpha does apply their own rating system to these, ranging from 1 to 5, called the quant ratings. Now this is an incredible tool, and I will talk a bit more about this and how it has benefited me specifically later in the video, so stick around for that. You will want to see some of the amazing success that I have had using these tools. There is also a dedicated earnings calendar and a whole bunch of dividend focused rating tools, such as the safe dividend ideas, the top rated dividend champions, dividend growth ideas, and trending dividend stocks with the latest announcements. So if we click over here on the stock screener, now we have a list of screens, so we can click on, say, the top rated stocks. And here we get a list of the very best rated stocks. On average, these picks from Seeking Alpha far outweigh the market. Or we can go back and focus on the top dividend yield stocks. Again, we get a list of the very best of these. We can also click up here on analysis. And again, we get a whole bunch of top analysis, such as dividend strategy, dividend quick picks, AI tech, materials, biotech, etc. And from here, you get a whole list of articles that you can click into and read the full article. Or maybe click into the specific stocks and unlock a wealth of information such as ratings, analysis, press releases, and the latest stock news. Seeking Alpha also gives their rating summaries, factor grades, quant ratings, and dividend grades. So this is all good and well showing you this, but even if this looks impressive, I feel it's best to show you an example of just how good this platform is. So with keeping with the dividend picks for just a moment, here's an article back at the end of 2024. Top dividend picks for 2025 according to Seeking Alpha's quant metrics. So this article is exactly 2 months old. So straight away, we can see how have these done over the past 2 months of data. We can see if these picks are any good or not, and we can scroll down here to see the top 10 and what they are. Obviously, when it comes to dividend stocks, we want a dividend return, but we also want share price growth. So I'm just going to take a quick look at some of these. So for example, on the list, number 10 is Amgen. Year to date, Amgen is up over 18%. That's 18%, guys, in just 2 months, which is an incredible return rate, especially for a dividend yielding stock. Next up, we have Paychex, which is up 7% year to date, but it's up 20% over the past year. Now, these are 2 of the lowest stocks on the list. At the other end of the list, number 2 is Philip Morris. Philip Morris is up an incredible 27% in the past 2 months and 71% over the past year. And number 1 on the list was Vici Properties Inc., which is up 11% since the beginning of the year. It's not quite as impressive over a full year, but there is a fantastic dividend yield here of 5% that needs to be taken into account too. But before I look at my favorite Seeking Alpha tool, there is a big event coming up very soon. So on March 5th, from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m., Seeking Alpha's Dividend Investing Forum virtual event is taking place. This gives everybody the opportunity to join leading analysts and industry experts. as they explore how to build sustainable portfolio incomes and answer your most important questions. Whether you're funding retirement, reinvesting for growth, or aiming to reduce portfolio volatility, this event will provide the opportunity to gain actionable insights to help you make informed choices and maximize income potential. Key speakers at this event include Stephen Kress, VP of Quantitative Strategy, and several Seeking Alpha's top investing group leaders. So there is several events from income investing and dividend growth investing before the 1 p.m. break, while after the break there is retirement investing strategies and my personal favorite, the top quant dividend stocks. Now, for anyone who is not familiar with the quant tool, this is a very powerful tool. So Seeking Alpha offers 3 ratings on every stock. You have the quant rating, the Seeking Alpha analyst rating, and the Wall Street ratings, and these are scored from 1 to 5. While Seeking Alpha also gives the stocks a ratings based on their valuation, their growth, profitability, momentum, and EPS, with a rating system that goes from D to A+. Now, I always get a lot of comments asking me how I find stocks before they run up. And one of the stocks on this list is a perfect example, and that is GRRR stock, GRRR Technologies. I spoke about this stock back in November when the stock was only $5, and it turned out to be one of my best gains of 2024. But it was actually Seeking Alpha that alerted me to this stock with its quant rating tool in particular. You see, back in November when I talked about the stock was rated as the number 1 on the quant rating system. And you can see here that although GRRR Technologies is up 25% since the beginning of the year, this is actually up over 600% in the past 6 months, with all the ratings pointing towards a buy. The analysts, Wall Street, and the quant rating all with near perfect scores. Another perfect example of this tool and the Seeking Alpha Analyst tool is when I discovered RGTI, Rigetti Computing Inc. Now, at the time I made this video, quantum computing was just about to take off, and I was looking for an undervalued quantum stock that actually had fundamentals and the potential for long-term growth. Rigetti was rated as a strong buy, and it was this article that sold me on Rigetti. But I didn't just read this and nothing else. It's so important that you get multiple sources of information, but the fact that Seeking Alpha has so many different perspectives from different analysts allows you to get a lot of research done and take in a lot of different opinions all in the one place. Now, Rigetti was insane for me. It was the second best stock I had in 2024. Look at this video. The price at publication of this article, as well as being rated as a strong buy, the price was $2.63. Rigetti Computing ran all the way up to over $21 within 2 months. But this just goes to show just how good these premium analysis tools are. They are literally worth their weight in gold. And the cost might actually surprise you because it's not that much. Professional tools like the BLOOMBERG terminal cost about $25,000 per year. But powerful tools like Seeking Alpha can be obtained for a similar cost to a Netflix subscription. When it comes to pricing, Seeking Alpha offers several subscription options. The basic plan is free, but it's limited. In truth, it's too limited to fully understand just how amazingly useful the premium tools are. The Alpha Premium plan is priced at $299 per year, but this gives you access to more in-depth features and tools. For those looking for even more, the Unlimited Pro plan is available at $2,400 per year, which offers the most comprehensive suite of features for serious investors and professionals. But let's be honest, unless you're a very serious professional investor spending hours every single day checking this stuff out, then the Pro plan is probably a bit too much. The Premium plan at $299, however, is fantastic value for money. This is the plan I have myself as a Seeking Alpha affiliate, and this is perfect. For $299, this is fantastic value for money. Put this into perspective, most people have no problem at all paying between $17.99 and $24.99 per month for Netflix. That is $300 per year for something that adds very little or no value to your life. Whereas Seeking Alpha gives you the tools to achieve financial freedom for literally the same price. But to make it even more affordable, There is a special introductory offer where you can get the first month for only $4.95. And I have a limited time $30 discount link in the description with a 7-day free trial. So check that out in the description below and make use of this offer. Trust me, the tools on Seeking Alpha will blow your mind once you start to get used to them. The Seeking Alpha track record and features is definitely worth it, and this has been backtested. Since 2010, stocks that had their strong buy rating have outperformed the market by nearly 5x. Investing just $10,000 in Seeking Alpha's strong buy stocks would give you $277,000 return by mid-October 2024 compared to the S&P 500's return of $57,000. That is almost 5 times the returns of the S&P 500. So make sure to use their current special offer, and don't forget, if you're interested, check out the link in the description for $30 off. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.